Right, you good motherfuckers. We got Maddie out here. What's Maddie doing? You doing, Baz?
Fucking CVs.
What CVs out there?
CVs on Kim Jong-un's stuff.
Alright, we're gonna put a head together. On LS, bruh. Oh, where are we gonna sit there, okay? That'll do. Good. Righto, motherfuckers. I was getting a bit ahead of myself in the video there. As you can see, you gotta disassemble a head before you can assemble a head, I guess, hey? So, I know you can't see a lot in the video that's cranking out right now, but all I've got there is an extension and I think it's about a 20mm socket to fit over the valve cap, like the valve seat cap, whatever you want to call it, and then a hammer, and it's just a swift smack with a hammer, and the little C-clips pop out. That way you can take your head apart, take your valve springs out, redo everything, and go hard. Good shit. Alright. No valve stem seals, bruh. Bit of lubey lube. And they press on. Right, a bit of doing, but they do it. I believe. But, don't do what I just did. Fuck my life. Fucked up. Anyway, you gotta put them on first, because they don't go over the top of the fucking valve stem seal, the dirty dogs. But I invented the tool for this little fucker. Didn't really invent it, but I just, for fuck ups, you pop them off. And they want to pop, there we go. Pop. Little thing back down, and then obviously should get back on a lot easier the second time. It's called test fitting. Fuck it, will do. You're selling shit up my nose from that fucking Jiminy. What? Inside of them, you probably can't see it. It's like a little shelf. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, anyway, a little shelf. There's all shit on it. So it's basically seat, valve spring, top, and then you got your little fucking clips to pop it and clip on. When are you gonna do your head? When are you gonna do your head? Yeah, that was good.
Which giving who your head?
Mum, where'd you come from?
Mo's giving everyone head. Fuck no. Alright. Oh, actually, might be with some blue one.
Yeah, fucking hell.
Fucking right.
Yeah, you shifted it.
Yeah, same door.
So you're getting head this afternoon too, eh? You're doing a head job.
I'm giving the head
You're
job.
doing a head job, but I'm not doing a head job. All giving head. Dad. Fucking get in there, boys. Get in there, boys.
Bleep all that out, eh?
Huh?
I'll bleep all that out, eh?
Oh,
You're right. I'm only kidding. Just the neighbour. He's a beautiful creeper.
I'm not special. Hi, Mike. I had a tablet this morning.
Hey?
I didn't have a tablet this morning.
Didn't have a tablet?
No tablet.
Did they let you out of the day? They let you out of the dungeon today?
Come and get that.
No. No, they can see you through the fence. See ya? Go down lower.
Yeah.
Right, gee. So, as you can tell, my old camera ran out of memory. However, that is the head completed. It's really not that hard. You pay a lot of money out there to get someone else to do it. Just have a crack and get on with it, boys and girls. And I'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Butter it out, motherfucker.